So inside the package we got this cute little tote bag, Elemis and shrimps. It's got cute little shrimps on here. Excuse me, sorry, I'm still getting over a cold. So we got Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Elemis Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator, excuse me, Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, and then Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. So I'm going to get in the shower, check those out, use them, and then I'll have a video today to make and hopefully post of me opening some stuff from FabFitFun from the fall collection, and then also their advent calendar. So hopefully I will see you guys back later today. Thanks for watching. Bye.